Ciao, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Italian cuisine. In particular, we'll be uncovering some unknown facts about a beloved Italian delicacy, prosciutto. Origin and tradition. Now, most of us know and love prosciutto, but did you know that its roots can be traced back to ancient times? The tradition of curing ham in Italy dates all the way back to the Roman Empire. The word prosciutto itself comes from the Latin purex suctum, meaning dried thoroughly. Protected designation of origin, PDO. Here's a fun fact that adds a layer of authenticity to prosciutto. Certain types of Italian prosciutto, like prosciutto di Parma and prosciutto di San Daniele, have been granted protected designation of origin, PDO, status. This means that they can only be produced in specific regions of Italy using traditional methods. Unique curing process. What sets prosciutto apart is its unique curing process. Unlike other cured hams, prosciutto is air-dried, not smoked. The curing process involves rubbing the meat with a mixture of salt and sometimes other spices, followed by a slow and careful aging process. This imparts a distinct flavor and texture to the final product. Time-tested artistry. Producing the perfect prosciutto is truly an art form that has been perfected over centuries. It requires skill, precision, and a keen understanding of the weather. In certain regions, the changing seasons and humidity levels play a crucial role in the curing process. This marriage of tradition and environmental factors results in a delicacy that captivates the senses. Culinary versatility. While many of us associate prosciutto with a classic antipasto plate, its uses in the kitchen are incredibly diverse. From wrapping around melon slices to adding depth to pasta dishes and pizzas, prosciutto brings a burst of flavor to a variety of culinary creations. It's not just a ham, it's a versatile ingredient that elevates any dish. The leg of the pig. Now, here's a tidbit that might surprise you. Prosciutto is made from the hind leg of a pig, specifically the thigh. What makes it unique is the meticulous selection of pigs, ensuring the perfect balance of lean meat and delicious fat. This attention to detail contributes to the distinctive taste and texture of prosciutto. Aging and maturation. The aging process is where the magic happens. Prosciutto undergoes a lengthy maturation period, typically lasting between 12 to 36 months. During this time, the meat develops its rich, complex flavors, and the distinctive marbling of fat and meat creates that melt-in-your-mouth experience we all love. Hand-slice tradition. In Italy, the art of slicing prosciutto is as important as its preparation. Traditional prosciutto slicing is often done by hand, and skilled artisans, known as maestri prosciutti, have mastered the technique over years of practice. This ensures the perfect thickness and presentation, enhancing the overall dining experience. Prosciutto and wine pairing. Pairing prosciutto with the right wine is a gastronomic delight. The delicate saltiness and savory flavors of prosciutto complement a variety of wines, from crisp whites to robust reds. It's a classic pairing that has stood the test of time and continues to be a favorite among food and wine connoisseurs. The importance of seasons. Believe it or not, the season in which prosciutto is produced can influence its taste. Many producers believe that the changing seasons, particularly the breezy air of spring and the dry warmth of summer, contribute to the unique flavors of their prosciutto. It's a testament to how deeply connected this delicacy is to the Italian landscape. Shot. Seasonal imagery, showcasing the different stages of prosciutto production. The salt and sea connection. Ever wondered about the secret behind prosciutto's distinct taste? Well, it's all about the salt. Many traditional prosciutto varieties are salted using sea salt, adding a unique brininess that enhances the overall flavor profile. This connection between the sea and the curing process contributes to the exceptional taste that has stood the test of time. Prosciutto and melon. A perfect pair. One classic pairing that has become iconic is prosciutto with melon. The sweet and juicy melon perfectly balances the saltiness of the prosciutto, creating a harmony of flavors. Legend has it that this combination was popularized by the ancient Romans, showcasing the enduring appeal of this culinary duo. And there you have it, some lesser-known facts about Italian prosciutto. It's not just a savory treat. It's a piece of Italian culinary history that continues to enchant taste buds around the world. If you enjoyed learning about prosciutto, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and leave a comment below with your favorite way to enjoy this delicious delicacy. Until next time, arrivederci.